Hello guys, welcome. This is another question. Question number 2. A stationary object of mass 4 kg is set in motion by a net force of 50 Newton. Okay? If the object attains a speed of 5 meters per second in time t, that means time is unknown, calculate the value of t, which is time. Alright, solution. The given parameters in this question are as follows. Number 1, you can see mass is given to us to be 4 kg. Our force is equal to 50 Newton. Then our v, velocity, is equal to 5 meters per second. Then our time is unknown. Okay? Then we know that from Newton's second law, okay, that F, which is force, exactly, is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. Okay? According to Newton's second law. Then we can buttress the acceleration by expansion, because we know that acceleration is changing velocity over time. Okay? Then, since A is equal to V over T, then we can substitute. Then, let's substitute into F is equal to MA, so that we have F is equal to MV over T. If we make T the subject of the formula, we now have MV over F. I hope that is clear. Then let's proceed. T will now equal 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 50, so that our T will become 0.4 seconds, because 4 times 5 is 20 over 50. Connect to our social media handles at PhysicsBible, the TRiUNE Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.